Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrook's over at MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're checking out a 2023 230 Harris Grand Mariner. So back here on the transom, you obviously got the 250 Mercury outboard, as well as your swim step and your telescoping ladder. Up here comes into this nice, huge layback sun pad. If you remove this cushion, it does become a full lay down platform on here. And then that'd bring you up here to the captain's compartment, where you do have that raised platform, your larger simrad and your analog gauges. Give you nice control while you're operating the boat. This beautiful power tower with LEDs all along the sides. Up here in the bow, you've got your big sub for your upgraded JL audio system. As well as tons of storage in the bow seats up here. This one also comes with the in-floor storage with the big ski locker in there. Goes all the way back. And each sitting area is going to have cup holders as well as USB ports for all of your electronic needs while out on the water. If you've got any questions about this model or any of the others that we have at our location, just give us a call at 803-831-2101, and that's Blake Holbrook's over at MarineMax on Lake Wylie.